Alright. What's going on? Taking out the Bolt today. Go have some dinner, have some fun. Go to SoCal Tamal, Southern California Tamales, SoCal Tamal. What is a tamale, you might ask? Because a lot of you are British. A tamale is a delicious corn masa filled with delicious cheeses from the Latin variety, and they're absolutely delicious. Alright, let's go. I haven't ridden this bike in a long time, so I need to ride it. With the speed triple in the garage, it's kind of hard to jump on this bike, but then when I do jump on it, I remember how much I love it. It's so weird riding this bike after riding the Triumph, because this bike is so like comfortable. It's just different. Like the Triumph's comfortable, but this is fucking comfortable. Look how cute my gloves match the tank. Sun's right in my eyes, middle of heavy traffic, having fun. God, I love this bike. I always forget, like, I should just ride this bike more. Like, I forget how much fun this bike is until I get on it, and I'm like, wow, this bike's so much fun. I miss all those rides we used to do on this bike. Makes you want to, like, I don't know how to explain it. This bike makes you want to just go as fast as you can on it, which isn't like that fast. What I like about it is you can go as fast as you want and go through all the gears, and you're not going like way over the speed limit. Where on the speed triple or on the sport bikes, you're like you're in felony miles per hour by the time you're out of first gear. Yeah. Tamal bowl. Chocolate horchata? Oreo horchata? I've never seen that in my life. Iced coffee horchata? What? Coffee horchata. I've always made coffee and horchata myself.
This one is red.
Arras con queso. Can I get 2 of the jalapeno and cheese with the red sauce? And then what other ones? Yeah, you guys have the steak ones, right? Or actually, let me get 2 of them with extra grilled onions. Now we wait. Thank you. Riding off into the sunset to eat my tamales. You gotta learn how to power shift so you can hold your food with your hand, so you don't have to use your clutch while you're riding. This is the second time we've had a picnic on this bike.
Huh?
Should we just pull up to the table?
No.
Why? There's like a ramp right here for me.
Philadelphia's waiting for you.
See, it's thinking like that keeps you broke.
Yeah, okay.
Take life by the balls, you know? Oreo horchata. Oreo pieces in the horchata. Never had that before. It's different. And some cream stuff too. The grand opening. Are you ready?
Oh my god, yeah.
Those onions look so good. Look at that pepper.
What is this?
Look at all that steak on the tamale. Where's my fork at? Let's see what yours looks like. The green sauce. Oh, heavens, yes. Oh, baby. Look at that juicy tamale underneath there. Oh yeah, baby. So juicy. Of the grilled onions. Oh yeah, look at that. Brown cheese. Who would have thought? I'll catch you guys in a minute.
No, you be the one bullying your baby.
A bunch of ducks and geese over here fighting.
They're exact. The markings and everything on their back are exactly the same. The other one's a little bit off. That's why they beat them up. But you don't look like
Duck, don't give a fuck. Baby ducks. Are they puppy ducks or are they kitten ducks? What do you call baby ducks? Hey, your kids are beautiful. I just want to let you know your kids are cute. Look at them protecting them. That's so cool. That's so cool how like I walked over here and they protected them instantly. That's so neat. Look at this one. That one's cool looking. I've never seen a duck look like that. I drew a blue duck. Well, I've never seen a blue duck, and I wanted to see a blue duck, so I drew him blue. Name that movie.
How do they get out of here?
Name that movie. They fly over.
They fly?
Yeah. Look at this guy. Hey, you're not a duck. No cop, no stop. Whoop whoop. Chicken food and picnicked at the park on this beautiful day. Can anybody explain to me what the internet is? I think it's another dimension. It confuses me. Like, how is it all wireless? Like, how is it on your phone? Like, how am I recording something on this video and with absolutely no wires, I'm gonna send it to my phone and then I'm gonna edit it, and with absolutely no wires you're gonna be able to watch it. So like I was saying, so with absolutely no wires I can record the film. The film, I guess, is not film anymore, it's kind of dating me. I can record the video, I can send it to my phone, and I can edit it. I can upload it to the internet, and then you guys can watch it all without wires, all across the world. Something sounds fishy about that to me. It's got to be a parallel universe that we're tapping into. There's a little bit of sweat in my pads and my helmet, and like I can feel it with the wind. It feels good. Motorcycle, yeah. He saluted me. He probably saluted me. He's like, damn, he's got a girl in the back of his bike. He's leveled up. It's like they knew I was coming. They left me just enough room. What ambulance is that? How fucking corrupt Bakersfield is. The mayor owns the ambulance company. Charge the shit out of people, and then when he wants to buy a new helicopter for his fucking ambulance service, he donates his oldest one to the police department. So, or they end up, or he, because he's a fucking mayor, they have the city buy his helicopter for the police department, so he sells it to them at the price of which would cost him to get a new one. It's crazy. So corrupt. You want anything else while I'm up in this bitch? Stuff's amazing. This shit's so funny. So there's a Snap-on guy that lives in this house, a Snap-on guy that lives in this house, and directly behind them lives a Snap-on guy and another Snap-on guy. So all four of the Snap-on guys in town live right next to each other. Oh yeah! Oh, I wish I had my sport bike. I want to race this guy in his Fede. What kind of Fede is this? Does he want to race? Let's race, bud. Who the fuck's driving a Fede in my neighborhood? Well, everybody, thank you for coming and hanging out, getting tamales and riding around with us. As always, please like, comment, subscribe. Also, I made a TikTok under the same name if you want to check it out. It's going to basically be a lot of the same things but shorts, but entirely different, so check it out. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.